we're going to differentiate 5 times 7 minus 3x cubed. So y is 5 times 7 minus 3x cubed. If we let u be 7 minus 3x, then y is equal to 5u cubed. Du dx is equal to minus 3. dy du is equal to 15 u squared. Forming our chain, dy dx is equal to dy du multiplied by du dx. This is 15u squared multiplied by minus 3. So we get minus 45 u squared. And remember that u is 7 minus 3x. Applying the alternative technique, we can see here that the inside function is 7 minus 3x. The outside function is 5x cubed. If we differentiate this, we get 15x squared. So we're going to differentiate this expression treating the bracket as if it's x. So we're going to get 15 times the bracket squared. We need to multiply that by the differential of the inside function, which is minus 3. And so we get minus 45, 7 minus 3x squared.